going on, guys? So I got the camber fixed on my car. I had a little problem last night because the car was steering from the rear because I adjusted it way too much and I didn't realize. So lesson learned, don't adjust it too much. Anyway, this is new. Painted this, I want to say last week, and I painted the covers too. It's kind of hard to see because the lighting is fucking terrible right now, but yeah. So this here is the new front splitter we have for my car. But so what I'm doing is, I mean, this is pretty boring. It's pretty self-explanatory. You get bolts, you drill a couple holes, you connect them to these. That's it. I mean, it's really easy. But I just wanted to show you a before and after, even though I kind of already took the bumper off. But I mean, if you watch a channel, you've seen my car before I had it. So I was originally going to put it on this bumper, but turns out I don't have anything to connect it to. There's like nothing I can drill, otherwise you'll see it. Like, I mean, I can drill it onto this, but you're gonna see it and it's gonna look like shit. So I came up with the idea. I'm gonna have this as like my travel bumper if I'm going to meets far and I don't want to risk this getting ripped off. And this bumper is gonna be my splitter bumper, I guess. My something different, so that way I can switch up my car a little bit so I don't have it looking the same all the time. So like I was saying, all right, so like I was saying, I just got these little bolts I'm putting on. So what I'm doing, a little trick to help you out, is usually people do it upside down, but I don't want to do it upside down. So what I do is I put a bolt in underneath, put a little nut on it, so that way when I pick it back up, the thing won't fall off again. I've got to put one more in each. All right, let me get this washer quick. Found it. Should be good to go now. So this one. I found a nice little locking one that I want to use on that other one. That should be perfect. All right. So once not very good washer. Once once I bolt this shit up, I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is gonna be just a short video. I mean, it's nothing crazy or interesting. I mean, it is kind of interesting, but it's not that interesting. So here you go. Let me quickly put these bolts in. Like I said, all I'm doing is connecting these to here. And once I do that, I'm connecting this to the middle, which I'll probably show you guys that. And then once I do that,
right here, boys. She's on. She got to tighten it down. Tight. Well, now you just gotta see it the same way I do. I don't want to pick it up like that. Alright. Oh yeah, it's gonna look good as hell. Hell yeah, boy. She's gonna come up looking good. So I just gotta connect these. Boom, bada bing. She should be done. Alright. Alright, so let me figure out how I want to connect these.
This is her. I think it looks great. I got this part coming in, this little rubber piece. I just had to replace that. And it will hide most of the damage. All this shit's just dirt and plastic. So I'm gonna wash the car now, and I'll let you see it once it's done. Alright guys, so this is the car's done. Got everything done on the car. So this is what it looks like. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Like it, subscribe it, and if you want, leave a comment below. Give me some ideas. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you want to see on the car, because this is going to be a cool, let's just call it, it's my the build series for my 370Z. That's what we'll call it. A little build series for the 370. So hopefully you guys like it. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'll give you a better look at it now it's all washed. Here you go. So appreciate it guys. See you on the next one. We're gonna have a video, should be tomorrow, if not